Hi again, it's Mrs. Carl and I'm here with the word ladders. Today we're on the and we're on the day where I'm going to ask you the questions on so that you can help me so that I know that you know what the words mean. All right, let's now, first, before I ask you questions, let's read the words. Remember, our ending is a short A word, an a word. It's and. Remember? I hope you practice these. And, let's go up the ladder. Sand, hand, land, band, here's the blend, st, and stand. All right, let's go down the ladder. Stand, band, land, hand, sand, and. Wonderful. All right, you ready for a question? Here we go. If you play a musical instrument and you're going to go down and play in the parade, or you can even play it at a football game, if there were a lot of musical instruments playing together, what would they be called? You look at all the words now. Think about it. What would all those musical instruments together be called? Good. A band. A band of musical instruments. All right? You can someday grow up and play in a band. Now, this is a part of your body. A part of your body. Oh, that was easy? Good. Hand. Good job. Hand. Now, if you are sitting and I want you to get up, this is a word I could tell you to do so that you would get up. What would that word be? Good. Stand. Stand up, please. Stand. Okay. This is a little word that is used in between words. All right, if you want to say a lot of things at a time, you could use this word in between. Now, might be a trick question for you, but I want you to put on that thinking cap. All right, it's a little word that you would put, and then you could say lots of different things after it, but you would have to have that little word in the middle. Oh, I didn't trick you. Good job. And if we went to buy some ice cream, you could pick out vanilla and chocolate and strawberry and butter pecan and mint chocolate chip, right? So and is a little word that you put in between other words, right? That was good. You were great with that one. That was a tough one. Very tough. All right. Let me see. Here is a word that we live in a beautiful, beautiful country. And if you look out, you can see all of this in the country. What would it be? The land. Now, I could also say a plane is coming down. It's going to finish its journey. What does the plane have to do? Good. It has to land. I could also say, what is this? It is a hand. All right? Good. All right, that was wonderful. Let's read up and down. And, sand, hand, land, band, stand. Stand, band, land, hand, sand, and. Oh, you're terrific. That was wonderful. The next time we're together, we're going to write these words. All right? So you will learn how to write them, how to spell them, and then, of course, you're learning how to read them. I'm So proud of you. So the next time we're together, you are going to need pencil and paper, or print it off the computer, the plain blank paper. Talk to you later. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Bye.